Hi loves! Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'm gonna create 4 super simple hairstyles that are perfect for fall season. But guys, of course you can wear these hairstyles all year long. So let's get started because first one will be the base for our 4 hairstyles. So we'll begin with selecting our crown section and we want to tie it and pull it a bit. Now you want to select our side sections like I'm showing. You can leave some hair out, tie them over your crown section, twist it, creating a loop and bring your crown section through it. Like that. Beautiful, right? And now guys, let's pin our second ponytail in place underneath. For the second hairstyle, we'll use our first one as a base and we want to select our side sections and leave them away for later, and we want to tie the rest, creating kind of bubble like that. Now we want to select our side section, bring them in the back and tie it over like that. Twist it like we did in our first half updo and bring the ponytail through it, tighten, and your ponytail is ready. For the next one, we'll divide our ponytail into 2 sections like that, and we want to divide one of the sections into 2 and bring bigger one through the middle like that. And now we want to make another opening through your second section and bring your first section through it, and we want to continue this kind of pull through braid without tying it. So basically it's very simple. Make sure to try it. It's so nice and voluminous looking. Tie the ends with a clear elastic. If you have a longer hair than mine, it will look even cuter. For the last hairstyle, we will unravel our braid. Now we want to tie the kind of the middle of our ponytail. Now I want to bring this elastic through the base of the ponytail, bring the ends through the loop like I'm showing, pin it in place of course from both sides so it will stay secure, especially if your hair is heavy. Now you want to spread this hair all around, creating this bun and pin it from the sides, and you're done. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Tell me please in comments down below which one was your favorite. But that's it for today, and you know guys, I love you so much and see you soon in my next hair tutorial. Bye!